So in this video, we are looking at bearish CPR on a weekly time frame. So this is weekly CPR. So we are looking for bearish move. Okay. So the first stock we are seeing is mRNA. Okay, Madonna. Which charts? mRNA. You can see the three bearish signal, and you can see a sell signal here. Okay, so this is completely bearish. Okay, all higher time frames bearish. Okay, let's go next one. I want to see CHC Tyson. KHC. Okay, let's look at the volume. KHC. So bearish, it's just coming up. Okay, let's look at pharma sector. Okay, XLV, healthcare sector. See what is that doing? So it looks like healthcare sector also is going down. So if you don't want to play, a lot of pharma stocks are there. If you don't want to play this, you just can do healthcare. Okay. So let's say, how do we play this? Okay, how do we play this in the options market? Let's go back to here. So we are bearish. So what we want to do is we want to say bear call spread. Let's say mRNA. Okay. So basically what we are saying is the stock is going to go down. So we want to be slightly higher. Okay, so we're able to collect this much credit in 45 days. So this is good credit. Okay, so next one is Madonna, XLV. Okay, let's go down 151, 155, 160. Okay. So if you want to play this one, this is much better because this is more like an index and has all the stocks. So your movement will be little not drastic. It will be good. Okay. So option volume also will be good. XLV, you can also play XLV. Okay. If you are thinking it's bearish. Okay. So if you want to go very short term, let's say 2 weeks, the credit is not that high. Okay, you can go November 1st. It will collect 131. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.